Okay, I'm very sorry, but I didn't tell you how to make this blue side. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain. First, you have to find a blue piece like this. We're gonna have to find an edge. But wait a second, every time you move like that, you're breaking this. Wait a second, let me just get to a better position. I found two books. So let's see. So I found this one. So we're gonna find some corners within range. Wait, where's my green side? Dang. Okay, the green side's here. So I have it right here. So I have to find an edge piece. Like this one. Like the inner edge piece. So I'm gonna take this up. So it's like that. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna move it here. So I'm just gonna put this up, right? But look, we have destroyed that. So what we're gonna do is your first algorithm, and it goes like this. L prime double, U2, L double. And we can find another piece like that. Make sure if it's up there, you know, this is what you have to do. So we're gonna learn because sometimes it might be at the other side. So we're gonna do R double, U2, R prime double. Make sure there are no blue pieces on the side. So now we're gonna have to match it up with the blue. Seems to be here. So we can't do this. L prime U2. So we can't do L prime double U2 L double. Wait, why did I just do that? Because this will get kicked out if I take that up, take it down. So what I have to do is I have to so it's under here. We're gonna do L prime U2 double. L prime double. Oh shoot. L prime double U2 L double. So we've got that up here, so we had to kick it up here, and then I've got that. Okay? I hope you understand it, and I'm sorry it's not in part 1.